Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Keith here. We got my cousin Brian on the camera as it is Christmas morning right now, and yeah, our wives are out doing family stuff, and they didn't want to bring us because we're a couple bad dogs. But no, we want to stay home and play with our toys. No major commitments this year. We got that all of the way early, so let's get into this. All my other gifts we'll go over later, but this is the one I want to open on camera. I have it open myself. Of course, we have the Vanquish products. Trucks of Fortune. Very lucky to get this. I didn't think I was going to get one this year. Our friends at ProNoobRC, Winnipeg, Manitoba, hooked this up for my lovely wife, and I was very surprised to open it today. She also got me the SCX-10-3 Early Bronco and the new CJ7 that's not quite available in Canada yet, but I do have a sweet little piece of paper I'll be bringing by the shop next week to be picking that up when it does land. But anyhow, I'm going to shut up. We're going to open the magic in this box and see what we got. Their fancy Scooby-Doo type logo pattern up there. We'll try to save some of that. Now, we did the Wheels of Fortune before, and we actually have those on the Ranger I-beam build that we just did. So it's kind of cool how that all worked out. So let's see what we got. Paper. Okay, looks like we got a DS410 RTR Fordyce. That is the Phoenix, pretty much with a new body style to it. Pretty cool RTR. So we'll get that open in a few seconds. Let's see what else we got for extras to go with that. Oh. Fancy, fancy. Oh, and we got a Wheels of Fortune in there too. Okay, so let's start the Wheels of Fortune, and then we'll get into that set of axles. I believe they're what they think they are. Wheels of Fortune. We've got some gloss red impacts. Some, I think just 350 hubs. 350 hubs. And let's see, we got the Dredger beadlock in silver. So that actually works out good. I was thinking about doing a red and silver wheel onto the CJ7 when it shows up. So that worked out absolutely perfect. Kind of a cool Mario style Wheels of Fortune decal. We'll peel off and keep that for this year too. Now let's check out these axles we got to go with the Fordyce. I believe these are the HD44s. Yeah, so we got the HD44 with a blue differential cover on there, which is, I don't think you can get it in blue, so I think that is another part of the deal there. That's pretty cool, actually. It's a nice blue. I'm not sure if they're blue. Let me know in the comments below. I'll go check it out myself later online. And of course, then we got the Trucks of Fortune aluminum card. It's a little bit damaged on the corner there from getting crushed in the box, but ain't no thing. Whatever. Can't really do much with the card anyway, so. But it's pretty cool. We'll keep that in the little card sleeve, little gold Trucks of Faction, or Trucks of Fortune. It's kind of cool that it came in gold. As you guys know, we've been doing a lot of gold hardware, a lot of gold rims and stuff lately. Kind of golds are one of our favorite colors around here to use. So yeah, we'll keep that on display. Let's check out the truck real quick. Okay, so we have the Vanquish, or VS410 Fordyce. I'm pretty sure it is the Phoenix, just with a new type body on it. But this is the RTR model. We have the RTR Phoenix in the shop right now for a customer, if you guys remember. I think I showed that one off. Packaged up nicely. Nice. Some extra decals to go with the manual, ESC manual inside there. They do come with a decent motor, ESC, and remote actually out of the box. No complaints on that department with them. Radio strap to the back there. Let's yard that out real quick. With the heaviest zip tie I've seen used in the hobby. It's a big boy. It does have the bed sides on it, which is nice. The Phoenix RTR did not come with the bed sides. There we go. They're cool little radio. It's even compact too. You can pop it open. Your batteries go in the top here, but you can break it down, put it in your bag for traveling and stuff. I kind of like the compact design on them. They're not a terrible radio either. I was rather enjoying. Nice little screen on the back, and it does have all your EPA adjustments and stuff on it. So kind of not bad piece of equipment. The trigger's a little soft for my likings. You guys know I like a little bit of a firmer trigger on them, but that works well. Do that plastic peel everybody loves so much. Those ASMR clowns. There you go, some 3D. Cool, 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 cool. Yeah, so it's pretty much a Phoenix with a new body. It's still hinged in the front like the Phoenix is, so we can pop these clips in the back here. Let's investigate further. I think it is just a VS410 transmission in there without any... It doesn't have the Phoenix transmission, the VFD twin. I do not think it is in there. Let's find out. No, that is just a VFD transmission. Standard stock VFD. Nothing wrong with that. There's no dig on the back. There is a servo mount here. I'm not sure why there's a servo mount here. It doesn't appear that we can add 2-speed or anything to this unit. I'm going to take a look in the manual. If you guys know, throw it in the comments below. It might just be provisions if you do want to put the twin into this unit. To upgrade to the twin, I believe you only have to change the back half of the transmission because the front half is still the same. So there's a few things you can look at. But otherwise, beautiful Vanquish quality. It's got the S8E shocks, I believe they are on them now. They are a 90 mil on it. Very nice. She rides good. Tires are the Vanquish Falcon Wild Peaks, and these are the 4.65 by 1.5. Yeah, very nice tire. Very sticky. Out of the box. Wheels look good on them. Not sure quite what they are. Oh, it's a KMC wheel. I'm not sure on the name. I got to do a little bit of reseating on the beads. They look like they kind of missed on the bead lock in a couple spots, but at least it's not glued on and it is a bead lock, so we can address that. Otherwise, yeah, we're going to throw those fancy aluminum axles into it right now. Cousin Brian's going to... There we go. Cycle that oil a bit there. It sounded a little funny at first. Yeah, Cousin Brian's going to rip that open for me and throw that in, and I'll do a little bit of work on the body, kind of pro noob that guy up. He's got a blank face on him. We'll at least take that off and get that sprayed in some matte black so we can make that poppin'. Find some mirrors, put that on there, and I think I might give that a flat clear. That gray's nice, and I've always kind of liked the primer gray, so with the black decals and everything, I think with a flat clear top, it's going to look banging. No body clips with this hinge open design, which is pretty tight too. So yeah, guys, check it out, and stay tuned for the upgrade and future life of this truck. See you guys on the next one.